It's easy to stay up to date with all things childcare. Simply click the subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video.
6-week-old baby schedule. How much sleep does your infant need? How much sleep do 6-week-old infants need? There is no definitive answer as sleep needs vary from infant to infant. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends 6-week-old infants should sleep 12 to 16 hours daily, broken into 3 or 4 naps during the day. During the first few weeks of life, most newborns undergo many physical and developmental changes. They are growing rapidly, and their brain is developing at a phenomenal rate. This activity requires a lot of energy, and sleep is essential for infants to recharge and grow. In the early weeks of life, infants tend to sleep in 2 or 3 hour blocks, with some brief periods of wakefulness in between. As they get older, they will start to sleep for longer stretches at a time. It is essential to establish a regular sleep schedule for your infant as soon as possible. This will help them develop good sleep habits and make getting the rest they need easier. Sleep patterns will change as your infant gains more control over their body. After 6 months, most infants sleep for a more extended period at night but are awake more frequently during the day. If your infant is not sleeping enough or has trouble sleeping, consult your pediatrician for advice. What is a 6-week-old infant's sleep pattern? Infants spend about 50% of their sleep time in active sleep, and the other 50% is spent either in quiet sleep or drowsiness. Newborns sleep most of their sleep time in non-REM sleep, more than adults. Quiet rest is divided into rapid eye movement, REM, and non-REM. REM sleep is responsible for the eye movements observed during sleep. In contrast, non-REM sleep does not exhibit these quick eye movements. During active sleep, infants may thrash about, make sucking motions with their mouths, kick their legs, and make sudden jerky movements. Periods of quiet sleep alternate with periods of active sleep. Sleep cycles last an average of 50 to 60 minutes. Infants may make sleep noises such as gurgling or cooing sounds during sleep. This sleep pattern is also known as the active/passive sleep pattern. Newborns cannot self-regulate their sleep patterns, so they can become overtired instead of simply falling asleep. And that's not good for anyone. How many hours should your 6-week-old sleep? The National Sleep Foundation recommends that babies sleep 12 to 16 hours per day during their first 6 weeks of life. Babies usually have 2 or 3 long naps during the day and wake up often during the night to eat. It is essential to keep a regular sleep schedule for your baby. Try to put your baby to bed simultaneously every night and wake them up at the same time every morning. Babies' sleep patterns change as they grow. When your baby is about 3 months old, the baby starts sleeping through the night without waking up to feed every few hours. By 10 months old, the baby will have a shorter nighttime sleep schedule combined with more naps during the day. There are a few things you can do to help your baby fall asleep. Some babies like to be swaddled or tightly wrapped in a blanket. You can also try using a white noise machine or lullabies to help soothe your baby. If you are bottle feeding, then you will need to wake your infant up every 2 to 3 hours to feed. If you are breastfeeding, your infant will likely wake up every 2 to 3 hours on their own. Some infants, especially newborns, may need to be woken up more often to eat and drink enough. If you are concerned that your infant is not waking up often enough, please speak with your doctor. It is essential to keep track of how much your infant is eating and drinking, especially if they are not waking up independently. Make sure to record each feeding, including the time, amount, and type of food or drink. This will help you and your doctor to identify any potential problems. If you have difficulty waking your infant, try using a light touch or gentle voice to get their attention. You can also try rubbing their feet or chest. If your infant is still not waking up, you may need to call your doctor for assistance.
Hope you got value from this video. Remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell so